So good afternoon everyone, I'm Alexa May Sagnip, the port reporter of Group 6. What is classroom assessment? Classroom assessment is an ongoing process or identifying, gathering, organizing, and interpreting quantitative and qualitative information about what learners know and can do. Ang classroom assessment, ito yung mga paraan, proseso na kung saan nasusukat ang mga natutunan o kayang gawin at kakayahan ng bawat student. Teachers should employ classroom assessment methods that are consistent with curriculum standards. It is important for teachers to always inform learners about the objectives of the lesson so that the latter will aim to meet or even exceed the standards. Na kung saan ang bawat ituturo ng teachers ay dapat pasok sa curriculum standards. It is important for teachers to always inform learners about the objectives. So tama naman po na dapat alam ng mga student kung ano ang matututunan nila sa isang araw. At dapat maabot nila kung ano yung standard na naiset mo para sa kanila. And also, the teachers provides immediate feedback to students about their learning progress. And also, the way na binibigyan natin sila ng feedback. This is important to each student dahil through feedback, mas namomotivate sila and nagkakaroon sila ng learning process because feedback is important to all students, especially when you give a good feedback to them. Classroom assessment also measures the achievement of competencies by the learner's assessment is one of vital element in the curriculum development process. It is used to determine students' learning needs, monitor their progress, and examine the student performance against identified learning outcome. So, classroom assessment also measures the achievements, skills, progress, or learning needs of the students. And it is implemented at different phases of instruction. So, before, pre-assessment, during, or formative assessment, and after, or summative assessment. So, we have 3 assessment. So, first is before or pre-assessment. So, ito yung magpapa-exam ka sa mga student bago mag-umpisa ang klase or ang isang quarter. So, for example, na dito is yung pretest na ginagawa ng mga student. Second naman is during or formative assessment. So, ito naman yung mga quizzes na ginagawa or pinapagawa sa atin ng mga student. So, like for example, after nung isang lesson, nagpa-quiz ka. So, if natuto ba sila dun sa lesson na naituro mo. And for the last is summative assessment. So, ito na yung sinusukat ng mga teachers yung kaalaman ng isang student doon sa buong lesson na ituro ng teacher sa kanila. So, example na lang dito is yung ginagawa natin after the lesson. So, ito yung mga pag-exam. So, yung pag-exam, di ba, yun yung ginagawa ng mga student or pinapagawa ng teachers tuwing natatapos ang isang quarter.